Okay, can you read it, please, Sergio?
Yes. Once and for all. Finally, absolutely. My daughter told her boyfriend once and for all that she would have date him anymore. Sorry.
It doesn't matter, okay. Once and for all.
Once and for all, John has quit smoking cigarettes.
Okay, thank you. Just one word, absolutely, and wouldn't. But it's okay, thank you.
Okay. To hear from. To receive news or information from. To hear from is used for receiving a letter, telephone call, etc. from a person or organization. I don't hear from my brother very often since he moved to Chicago. Have you heard from the company about that new job?
Okay, thank you. Two mistakes. Used and often. But it's okay, thank you. Thank you, Sergio. Doesn't matter.